In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Tangem Code Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly transfer any crypto asset between Coinbase and your Tangem wallet. You will be able to do this by gathering the wallet address from Tangem and inputting it into Coinbase. So to start within Coinbase, you can choose the send option from the home screen, or you can tap on a specific crypto asset and you will also see send. So this will allow you to withdraw that specific asset from Coinbase. You will be able to choose it here, so double check to see if it is correct. And then you can input the amount either in the asset or in your local currency. Once you input the amount, they are going to ask you to input the wallet address. So if you tap on this, you can see a list of your contacts and you are given the option to add a new wallet address. This is going to be the wallet address from your Tangem wallet. For this video, I'm not going to go over the full setup process, but you will have to download the mobile app and follow the instructions to create your recovery phrase and attach Tangem to your wallet. Now, when you tap on any crypto asset that you see here, you will be able to choose the receive option and consequently get your wallet address. You can choose the option to organize them and add new ones. So you can use the search function at the bottom to add new assets that maybe aren't here by default. So if the one that you are transferring is not here, make sure that you add it beforehand. When you tap on a specific asset, as I've said before, for example, Bitcoin, you will be presented with the receive option. So by tapping on receive, you will now get the wallet address, which is used to deposit assets into Tangem. So when you have this wallet address, you can go ahead and input it here. With the wallet address from Tangem pasted within the transfer window for Coinbase, you can double check everything, continue, see any possible included fees, and finish making this transfer. I recommend sending a small amount first, and if that goes through, then you can send the rest. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Tangem Code Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.